All right, guys, the next part is pretty basic. I didn't go over and shoot the video while I was doing it, but all you simply do is mount your pump down. Some of you will have different mounting methods because for me, I mount my pump directly to the skid and I move my motor. For some of you that are using a bigger motor, such as a GX390, a 420, and up, right? You will want to move the pump. The reason why I did it this way is because this motor, this 6.5 horsepower motor, is lighter than this pump. This pump is solid. It's built for quality. It's heavy. This head, the stainless steel head, makes it heavy. Okay, so I went ahead and mounted it down. Then all you simply do is put your pulley on. The pulley size that I'm using is, we'll see if you can see it on here. You can't. It's a 2.75 inch pulley. The model is a 2AK 27 TAC 3.4. Okay, remember that 2AK 27 TAC 3.4. That means it's a 1/4 inch here, and then it's right here, but the camera really can't pick. Oh, there we go. You see it right there. Now, why didn't I use an H style bushing? Some of you that have belt drivens, you will have H style bushings where it's like a coupler right here, and then the pulley goes onto it. But because of the size of this pulley, how small it is, there's really not enough room to put the coupling on here and then this pulley. Okay, if I was using the bigger one like this pulley right here, I could have done it with that. I could have got a bushing and then put on the pulley that way. However, this is the way this one is mounted. There's 2 set screws. Very simple. You just put it on. Okay, and then I tighten my belt via this, and it pulls this entire engine back. One thing you got to make sure that your belts are aligned. Now, as you can see, the tension on these belts, the distance from here to here is very short. If it was greater, you would see that there'll be more flexation that's needed when you tension it. However, this is how much I tension it. There is a deflection scale for it. Many of you will not have the deflection tool. So when I push down lightly, it comes right about to the bottom of the other T. A little bit above it. Same for both sides. Okay? When you're tensioning, if you notice that the inside belt is getting tighter faster, all you simply do, you tighten this bolt down and you continue pulling this out. You continue tightening. Then you check it, and once it's all good, you tighten all the bolts. So this is all good. I'm gonna tighten all the bolts. Then I will go into putting on all the connections at the head, okay? This part does not take very long at all. Simply put your engine down, put this on, okay? So total time consumed thus far is approximately 20 minutes to put this on, and then I would say maybe another 15 minutes to just put your pulley on, your belts on, mount your motor down and stuff like that. But this is the way I have it set. Many of you understand that some of you will not want to use the 6.5 horsepower engine. I like it. This is considered a small block, okay? The guys with the 459 or bigger ones, your bolting pattern is gonna be bigger for here, so you gotta make adjustments. Peace.